My name is Mattias Johansson, originally from Sweden. I was a tennis player before and I transferred over to pickleball, and nowadays I'm a professional pickleball player. It was during COVID. Tennis was shut down. I was going after trying to be number one in my age group in tennis, and everything just shut down. There was no tennis courts to be played at, and a friend of mine asked if I want to go play pickleball, and I did not know what pickleball was, and I said I have no interest in it. I'm a tennis player, not a pickleball player. But you can only clean the garage so many times during COVID, so finally I ended up going with them, and I fell in love with this sport. In 2020 was my first professional tournament in Las Vegas, and it was at May of 2022 where I become the number one in the world, and I have had that ever since. So last year I had a knee replacement done on my right knee, but I start having the same issue with my left knee right now, and I'm actually heading to a knee replacement in 2 weeks. It probably took me 7 months before I started feeling that I could move 80–85% of where I were pre-injury. So just having this opportunity to have this stem cell treatment today, 2 weeks out from my surgery, it will be very, very interesting to see how much quicker I will recover. And then obviously my ultimate goal is to come back and play pickleball quicker than my previous one. So that is what I'm excited to see and compare.
I think that's great.
Yeah.
It'd be interesting to hear from you.
Yeah, it would be super, super interesting.
Tell us a little bit about why you chose R3.
If you guys are number one and I'm number one, it makes sense to me. But I can't.
You are number one. That's a proven fact.
Yeah. But you know, I feel you have to go with the most respectable companies out there, the biggest one that knows what they're doing. They're leading the evolution of stem cells treatment. So it's easy choice. To me as an athlete, there is nothing that has a price tag when it comes to health, really. And why would you not prefer a healing process over a temporary relief that probably most likely will damage the ligament or tendons? So this is the future, people. This is what everybody should be doing. The whole experience has been fantastic ever since my initial conversation with Dr. Green, and the welcoming atmosphere we come in here, the explanation of the procedure, the treatment itself, it's just top notch. And that's where you guys are number one.
Our number one goal is helping people.
Yeah, and you guys do.